Welcome to Explore the Possibilities. I'm Erin Roop, the Operations Manager here at Highland Chocolates, and I would like to share with you what we do here at Highland Chocolates. Highland Chocolates was started by the Tioga County Department of Human Services in 1994. A county administrator had a friend from Scotland who was a chocolatier who came into the U.S. and taught our very first employees how to make a Scottish truffle, hence the name Highland Chocolates. The truffle was a seasonal product and took several days to create, so attention went to the next most popular product, pretzel bark, which is still our top-selling item. In 2012, Partners in Progress, a nonprofit vocational agency in Mansfield, took over the operation of Highland Chocolates, with all net proceeds returning and being reinvested in the program. Highland Chocolates currently employs 14 individuals with varying levels of abilities and mentors them to develop vocational skills in the hopes of future gainful employment outside of Partners in Progress. Our motto is, Extraordinary Chocolates by Extraordinary People. From hand drizzling icing to bagging confections, hand tying ribbons and applying labels to the front and back of the packaging, every Highland Chocolates confection is still handcrafted. They take extreme pride in their work and have true ownership over the products that they make for you.
Hi, welcome to Highland Chocolates. This is the sweetest spot in all of Tioga County. Today we're going to take a walk around our factory so you can see some of our equipment and meet some of the individuals that we work with. Here we have Chase and Franny. They're making our famous tree stumps. This is one of the favorite confections that we make, and it's all done by hand. Franny's going to tell you the process that we do to get our tree stumps ready to coat.
There's pretzels laid out on a tray, and then we start by weighing some caramel at 0.3. Then we put peanut butter and then top it off with another pretzel.
And here we have Brett, who is coating some of our tree stumps. So he is placing it here, and it is going through one of our tempering units. As the chocolate is coming through there, it is splitting into 2 curtains of chocolate, which ensures that the product is fully coated. As it moves on down the enrobing line, it is coming under this blower unit, and that blows all the excess chocolate off, and that ensures that all of our products are equally coated the same amount. From there, it is transferred onto our cooling tunnel, and that just travels right on down to Courtney, who is taking them off. Courtney is bagging the tree stumps. These will be ready for sale later today. Over on this side, we have one of our new tempering units working. We now have 4 of these tempering units. Each of these holds 50 pounds of chocolate, and on any given day, we go through between 50 to 150 pounds of chocolate in the factory. Roberta is our master bark maker. Today she is making milk chocolate almond bark. The task Roberta is doing is very time sensitive. The chocolate wants to start setting up the moment she is pouring it out onto that tray. Once she has it spread out evenly, she will then put it in one of our commercial refrigerators where it will begin to set. When it is not fully set, she'll pull it out and score the bark and then let it chill some more so that it can easily be broken apart. This is Luella. She makes almost all of the nonpareils here because she is so fast at it. So she's using a funnel and she's doing just a drop of chocolate. Once she has the pan filled with little drops, she's going to tap it down and she's going to add the nonpareils. Once she has all the nonpareils on, she's going to take them and put them on the cooling tunnel. Right now we have nonpareils and molds coming through this cooling tunnel. We run it in reverse so that we can use this to chill and set our molds and nonpareils. It's nice to use the cooling tunnel as opposed to the refrigerators because there is no moisture or humidity in the cooling tunnel, and it helps the chocolate stay in temper.
Over the years, we have worked to create custom molded chocolates for many corporations. We also do custom wedding or special event favors. And Highland Chocolates has partnered with schools and other organizations to create their fundraisers. We are very excited to offer tours. Please visit our website for days and times when tours are offered so you can experience the incredible pride of our amazing workers firsthand. Highland Chocolates has 2 retail establishments, which are a favorite tourist attraction to those visiting our area. If you enjoy chocolate, I ask that you please consider shopping our retail locations and enjoying a factory tour. Every super delicious Highland Chocolates product purchased celebrates the accomplishments of our amazing individuals and staff and is an investment in the future of this program. We want to be making delicious chocolates in our factory in Wellsboro, PA for decades to come. For more information on Highland Chocolates, visit our website at highlandchocolates.org, or you can email us at highlandchocolates@partnerspip.com. And for more information about our beautiful area, go to visit Potter-Tioga.com. On behalf of all of us at Highland Chocolates, we look forward to welcoming you on your next visit to our beautiful area.